Hey, we're in Atlanta this morning and we're heading out to a project site. I got Brandon Jensen here. Brandon's one of our installation specialists, and he focuses on ACOUSTIBUILT. And this job we're going to, Brandon, tell us, what's going on at this job and how do you add value with the customers in the daily activities that you do?
Yeah, so this job is a high ceiling with a nice ACOUSTIBUILT wall. And I bring value to the contractor just by making sure all the steps and the procedures to install ACOUSTIBUILT are done correctly to make sure they get a product that the customer wants. We went to the job already, and there's a couple things that they were missing. They didn't have the right mixer and they didn't have the right drill to mix the coating, and that could be the difference between a good job, a good installation, and a bad installation. So just went out to my truck to give the contractor some of these things to use today.
This ACOUSTIBUILT job, Brandon, it's got walls and ceiling.
Yes, yeah. So we did a nice section of wall. It goes from 14 foot all the way up to 15 foot. So ACOUSTIBUILT, as long as the wall starts at 7 foot or higher, then they can screw it straight to the wall and finish it out just like they normally would on the ceiling. Just a little bit different because there's no drywall grid involved. The ceiling's like at 55 foot, I think, and so yeah, they just did drywall grid on 16-inch centers, and they have some lighting that's hanging below the ACOUSTIBUILT, so they just put some plywood in the drywall grid like a ceiling tile, and they reinforce the drywall grid by bringing the wires closer in on the main runners to handle that load, so that way it can support that light that's going to hang below the ACOUSTIBUILT. All right, guys, right here to my back over here is a drywall grid system right here. There's actually going to be ACOUSTIBUILT right here eventually. So you got the drywall grid on 16-inch centers being ready to install, and then right above me right here is going to be Armstrong Metalworks torsion spring system going up right here. Yeah, this is totally integrated. You're integrating ACOUSTIBUILT in with torsion spring. I have a counterpart that's another installation specialist that covers all of Armstrong products. So he would be a resource for helping the contractor install the Armstrong Metalworks torsion spring system.
Hey, I got Frank Jackson here with Anning & Johnson. He's the the job site foreman. And Frank, with our specialists that we send out to the job, how's that been?
It's been really good. I'm really impressed. He was here yesterday. He's back here today, offering whatever suggestions or help he can. I think that it helped the guys spraying, for example, in offering the right paddle, for example, the right nozzle that they need to use. I think that's very helpful.
Well, your guys are doing a wonderful job here. They're on the third coat up here right now, and it's, they got another coat to do, and it's going to be finished.
Yeah, we have another job that he's going to be spraying tomorrow. And of course, we have another wall here that he needs to come back and finish up sometime this week. So, and imagine we're probably working with this quite a lot.